Self Mohsen Ijaz, and today I am honored to present my thesis, that is to investigate the optoelectronic behavior of lead-free perovskite materials. This study explores the rapidly developing field within a material science, especially lead-free perovskite material in the application of optoelectronics. Here is the outline of my presentation. In further slide, I will discuss the introduction of perovskite, applications, why lead-free perovskite is important, motivation of this research, aims and objectives of the research, schematic diagram, result and discussion, conclusion. In introduction, calcium titanate was the first perovskite which was discovered in 1839 at a Ural mountains in Russia. All the compounds which have a similar structure that of calcium titanate is considered to be a perovskite material. Perovskite crystal structure have a general chemical formula, that is ABX3. Here we have a typical diagram of crystal structure ABX3. In a right blue color, A represents the larger cation which can be organic, inorganic, such as methyl aluminum, formamidinium, cesium. B in a black color represents the smaller cation which can be inorganic, such as transition metal. X in a yellow color represents the halide ions, such as fluorine, chlorine, bromine and iodine. Here we have the application of perovskite. Perovskite can use in a different technologies such as photocatalyst. Perovskite used to drive a chemical reaction under the exposure of light. And photodetector, perovskite used to detect the light across the range of wavelength. In solar cell, solar cell efficiently convert the sunlight into electricity. In laser, perovskite is used for a complex and efficient light source. In LED or light emitting diode, perovskite is used to emit the range of color. In X-ray imaging, perovskite is used to enhance the image quality. The question is why lead-free perovskite is important. This is the main question arises when we remove the lead with other suitable element. Although the lead-based perovskite material have a 25 to 30% efficiency, power conversion efficiency, but the problem with lead halide perovskite material is that the problem with lead halide perovskite is that lead is a highly toxic element for both living organism and for an environment. In living organism, lead can cause health issues, especially neurological damage in children. In an environment, perovskite can contaminate the soil and water. The motivation of this research is to find a way for newly emerging lead-free hybrid perovskite material for optoelectronic applications as well as the sustainable energy resources and enhancing the performance of photovoltaic technologies. Aims and objective of this research is to synthesize the lead-free hybrid perovskite material to maximize the performance for optoelectronic application. Also examine the perovskite material with different characterization techniques, and we also perform the computational study DFT by using quantum Astro on a prepared lead-free perovskite material.